Good morning, guys. I'm just cleaning up in the kitchen a bit, tidying up the place. I woke up a little while ago, and Jason went to the kindergarten. Natya went to attend some meetings. Now I'm just chilling here. Ugh. Guys, it's so nice just chilling here at Natya's place with Natya and Jason. Feels like being a kid. I'm eating cup noodles, drinking soda. But now I'm just chilling out on my own. I'm grinding the dinosaur game for Jason whenever he's sleeping or he's not here, so I can progress for him. There's a ton of stuff to be doing in this game, and he doesn't really know how to. But thankfully he's got an expert here willing to help out. And I started playing the dinosaur game on my own phone as well. Not really because I want to play it, but because I want to try and teach him patience. I want to teach him that it makes sense to save up for things. Whereas in this game, he just keeps spending all his different currencies on like time skipping, where patience could have been a virtue. Could have helped him get some of the dinosaurs he really wants that he has to pay these currencies to get. So I'm just gonna try and demonstrate it to him. You know, maybe he hasn't been taught these kind of things, but I think I know how to teach him. When I was hanging out with the neighbor lady yesterday, she said that I'd had a positive impact on Jason, that he seems more behaved and, you know, just different kinds of good things. I want to try and stay a positive influence on him. Alright, Jason there. Nej så. Ja, de er godt nok ved at flytte. Nej. Skal jeg prøve at kigge? Han er hurtig. Han kan hurtigt komme fra den ene til den anden ende. Hey! Hey Jason, du har gemt dig. Vi kunne ikke finde dig. Vi ledte. Hvor var du henne?
Det ved jeg ikke.
Det ved du ikke?
Nej.
Jeg har fået en ny dinosaur til dig, en rigtig sjælden dinosaur.
Stop. Jeg har ikke haft.
Du har aldrig haft den før. Den hedder Angel.
Angel?
Kender du den? Hej.
Vil du lige høre, hvad det er for en dino, jeg har fået i min dinosaurpæt?
Den er meget sej.
Vil du høre?
Du kan se den, når vi kommer hjem. Du kan se den, når vi kommer hjem. Vi kommer hjem lige om lidt.
Men den har nogle runde prikker.
Jeg har fået en stegosaurus i mit eget spil.
Ja.
Sejt, ikke?
Jo.
Ja. Er du glad?
Ja.
Godt.
Yeah. We put on Toy Story, the first Toy Story. Natya fell asleep within the first 5 minutes.
Jeg kæmper mod.
Since then, we've just been gaming, moving along in the dinosaur game. Both of us.
Bombe.
Eller livet. Huh? Good morning, guys. It has been incredibly chill just hanging out here for, what is it, 3-4 days now? I'm gonna go change out these underpants I bought. I need a bigger size.
Så besluttede hun at sende et særligt par soldater og en Torby ud for at spionere ved festen. Heldigvis fik Anders ikke ret meget legetøj, en masse tøj og spil.
Og hvad stod der her?
Men den sidste æske, han åbnede, fik soldaterne til at gispe. Det var et stykke legetøj. Fik den legetøj? Senere kom Anders op på sin vej.
Nej, den her.
Vi ses, Jason.
Farvel.
Hej.
Pas på, at du kører igen i bilen.
Bare rolig, jeg kører ikke ind i Mille. Jeg kigger mig altid for. Vi ses.
Bilen er lige der.
Jeg ved det godt. Vi ses.
Vi ses.
Farvel.
Farvel.
Mange tak. Here we go, guys. Picked up the last package from Lush. Let's go. Now I just gotta fix 1 or 2 things on the electrical setup and we're gonna be ready, guys. We'll have showering, bathroom, cooking, cleaning, power generation, water filtration. We're gonna have it all, guys. Oh my god. I'm just gonna grab a Dudum. The reason I got 2 boosters is because I need to do some editing, guys. I'm telling you, I've been so behind. So I got some boosters. I'm gonna get me a Dudum and then I'm gonna just go do editing. Let's get it done. Check it out, guys. I just did the Lush unboxing. Bath bomb, bath bomb, bath bomb, bath bomb, bath bomb, and soap. And what do you call a shampoo bar, conditioning bar, body soap. A lot of patchouli in here. Oh yeah, and Lord of Misrule solid perfume. Not as good as the liquid, but oh my god, I miss the scent. I just rub it on here, and then I rub it in my temple and on my neck. I'm gonna go eat now. I also got some stickers here. I'm gonna give those to Jason. I can't wait to try these bath bombs when we get some hot water, if ever. Guys, here we are again. We find ourselves in the tunnel around midnight, about to go home. It was nice. Hung out with that friend you may have seen in my videos and some other guys. It's nice being social with a group of people you haven't really been around for like a decade. They still remember you. Everything's still good. Things are more or less what they used to be, except a few people got married and had children, but outside of that, people are more or less up to the same old stuff. But it's nice, you know, at least for old time's sake. let's not get negative about it here. I enjoyed myself. And, you know, I'm gonna enjoy myself going home. I'm gonna take a bit of a longer route. I just have to hurry a little bit in case of rain. It looked like the forecast that there would be rain with some level of certainty. So I gotta get home before all that. I don't really want to wait around, you know. So let's go, but not too fast. Check it out, guys. It's interesting what kind of places kind of attract these vans or campers, conversions, whatever you want to call it. I mean, it's kind of a brutal place to have to set up underneath the train tracks or the road. Yeah, that's the road. The train tracks are right over here, so they get both. They get to listen to both and probably be harassed out of here. That's another consideration for why I wanted to live the one-wheel life, you know, carry everything on my back, which I'm gonna have to get to pretty soon. But so far, I'm just enjoying the last time indoors with all these modern amenities, because it's not like I don't enjoy that. I just, I don't know, see the value in disconnecting and being a little more self-sufficient. At least that's what I've tried to set myself up for. Let's see how well my trial run goes here in Denmark. You know, I'm gonna have a trial run with my equipment and such over the summer. And then, well, if that pans out, I'll be moving on in the autumn. Okay, let's go this way. Greater Copenhagen, or Storkøbenhavn. Let's go home. This is where our journey starts, with the red light tunnel. And these red lights for a few hundred meters. Check it out. Guys, I gotta already go back to Jason, babysit him, and another 2 days. Yeah, so I'm not even gonna be away from him that long. Then I'm gonna take care of him this coming weekend, and on the way home from that, like riding home next weekend, it's gonna feel like finally I got everything done, like when it comes to my own personal stuff, but also my responsibilities elsewhere. I've gotten everything all taken care of. Now it's all up to me. I just have to tie up loose ends and actually get out there and start doing this stuff every day, you know? That's what this is all about. But I guess I don't really mind being bogged down for a while. I've really gotten far in that time. But let's see how the electrical system works out. Let's hope I got it all right. If not, you know, it'll take a little while longer. Because power is really important when you're out there every day. Not having to knock on someone's door, just being able to generate your own. In this case, saving on weight by just storing it in the electric unicycle. But yeah, I just gotta finish up that mod. Gotta test some things, make sure it's not lethal, you know? It's a nice evening ride home. Just thinking about loose ends and how soon I'll be rid of them, and it will only be the road ahead of me wherever I decide to go.